close your eyes and then say Shreem Brzee. And put your attention on your third eye. Shreem Brzee. And then go just inside your pineal gland, which is in the middle of the brain, and visualize a flame, and then inside the flame is Shreem Brzee. While as you chant, you're chanting with your throat. Your tongue is involved. The brain is involved in articulating. The speech brain. Your brain is also involved in hearing the sound. These are all taking place simultaneously. Thinking, hearing, remembering, all have to be quantumized, and the miracle will be done by the sound. Shreem Brzee. You can do, the least you can do is 108 times with awareness of all the processes that are going on. And that is how you become a conscious thinker. Now your thinking is unconscious, robotic. And this is called an advanced chanting called advanced japa. And it works. Not that 108 times you have said, and then at only one time you may have the perfect alignment of the different parts of the brain consciousness to be so powerful. Then you got it. Okay? Then you will see the results. I have done this. And every time you do, you have to ask, where is the result? Where is the result? Where is the result? Then that gives you a proof. A proof. So this is one way of doing it, if you don't want to go to the 1-year program or the January program, that's fine, you can do this, and at least I have the satisfaction that I have given you this, and I will give you more. Keep your eyes closed, and I said that become conscious of the tongue, the throat, the ears, hearing, and then the speech brain are active, and the memory is active, and with all that one, Shreem Brzee. It will simultaneously erase the mediocre thinking or karma, bad karma, and also enhance the poverty, enhance the prosperity thinking at a quantum level. And then you have to decrease the oxygen concentration and then replace it. You cannot do it by yourself. The sound will transform the oxygen into higher energy. It will unite it with the prana. And the sound has the ability to do that. Oxygen is associated with cause and effect, logical brain. And the prana is associated with the divine consciousness. And and will give you omniscience, omnipotence, and omnipresence. So just to think of this idea will create changes. That's why the theory is important. That's why I have built it into this meditation so that you can use it and then understand the mechanics of action. What is the mechanism behind the action, behind the sound, and what is happening within the brain with your body mind. And I'm not gone into the subtle body. We are still living, focusing on this physical body and oxygen and so forth. The prana is, of course, is the highest energy. The prana is God. Now, to enhance more prana, more divine consciousness, I'm going to help you to do this meditation with an added sound, the sound Om. The Om is always will be prefixed to all mantras. The reason being, Om will give you more prana, more divine energy, more life energy, more intelligence. Now, focus attention on your two eyes. Lights, beams of light getting into the right eye, getting into the left eye. Now, another beam of light into the right ear, left ear, the tongue, the throat, the right nostril, the left nostril. And then I'm going to give you the sound, Om. Put your attention on the third eye or the pineal gland and say, Om Shreem Brzee. The sound Om is the fundamental sound of the universe. Associating Om with Shreem Brzee will quantumize Shreem Brzee as well. Shreem Brzee Om. Om Shreem Brzee. Om Shreem Brzee Om Shreem Brzee Om. The quantumization is taking place at the soul level. The soul is a quantum reality. Now, think the sound Om Shreem Brzee as subtly as possible. Not out aloud. Focus attention on the third eye, and the sound is already inside. but not vocalized, not associate with any effort. The moment you bring effort to think, it will be lost. With complete ease, think about it. With complete ease and without effort. Now, at least you will know that you are keeping away all the mundane, mediocre thoughts away from your consciousness. Now, slowly come back to yourself.